Hello everyone. If you are interested in software testing and want to be a professional software tester, this is the course for you. So let's start. So in this video, we're going to see what is the objective of this course, what we're going to learn in this course, and what is software testing and why we need it. What is the course objective? The course objective is to provide you with all required knowledge that you need to become a professional software tester. What you going to learn in this course? You're going to learn in this course software development life cycle and all the popular models like waterfall, spiral, prototype, V and hybrid. You're also going to learn web application testing, mobile testing, API testing, and all the available testing methods like white box testing, black box testing, gray box testing, ad hoc testing, smoke testing, integration testing, system testing, regression testing, acceptance testing, and many more. So now let's see what is software testing. What is software testing? Software testing is the process of finding errors in the developed product. It also checks whether the real outcomes can match expected results, as well as aids in the identification defects, missing requirements, or gaps. Testing is the penultimate step before the launch of the product to the market. It includes examination, analysis, observation, and evaluation of different aspects of a product. So now, why we need software testing? To really understand why software testing is important, we need to correlate it with real-world example which has caused serious issue in the past. A few examples includes: in October 2014, Flipkart, an e-commerce in India company, had an offer called Big Billion Sale. When it was launched, it had a lot of traffic. As a result, its website could not handle the enormous load of traffic, leading to the website downtime, cancellation of the orders, etc. The reputation of the organization was badly impacted by this issue. In 2015, the Royal Bank of Scotland, due to a bug, could not process about 600,000 payments. Because of this, they were fined £66 million. Yahoo in September 2016 had a major data breach, which where 500 million user credentials got compromised. Recently, Okta, an American authentication firm, had a digital breach due to a software bug that may have affected their user details. This has also affected the reputation of Okta. Similarly, established organizations need to maintain their client base and their impressions. So they have to ensure the delivery of flawless products to the end user. Let's take a look at some points and see why software testing is vital to good software development. The main three reasons of software testing is: 1. Enhance quality. 2. Improve security. 3. Detect compatibility with different devices and platforms. Now let's see these three steps or three reasons in detail. 1. Enhance quality. An enterprise can bring value to their customer only when the product delivered is ideal. And to achieve that, organizations have to make sure that users don't face any issue while using their product. The foolproof way of doing it by making your product absolutely bug free. 2. Let's see what is improved security. When customers use the product, they are bound to reveal some sort of personal information. To prevent hacker from getting hold of this data, security testing is a must before the software release. When an organization follows a proper testing process, it ensures a secure product that in turn makes customers feel safe while using the product. Detect compatibility and different devices and platform. Let's say your organization developed a website. The tester must check whether the website runs on different device resolutions. Additionally, it should also run on different browsers. Another reason is why testing is gaining more important is ever increasing browser option. What works fine on Chrome may not run well on Safari or Firefox. This gives rise to the need for cross-browsing testing, which includes checking the compatibility of the application on different browsers. No company can underestimate the importance of the delivering the best possible product to the customers. And the types of testing keep evolving and the list keeps going on. Depending on the nature and scope of your product, you can run different testing procedures. Once the testing team gives the green signal, the deliverable is ready to go into the market. But enterprises still need to keep in mind that customers' trust doesn't come easily. To help earn customer trust, you need to provide consistent, reliable product. That's why testing is the integral part of the software development lifecycle. In the next video, we will see what is software development lifecycle, aka SDLC. Till then, be good, be safe, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Peace.